Welcome to Linux Help channel. In this video, we are going to see about Textpattern CMS 4.7.3 on CentOS 7.5. First, we view a short intro about Textpattern CMS. Textpattern CMS is especially designed for web developers, designers, and bloggers. It allows the user to publish their content with easy interface. The Textpattern tool is developed with advanced features to create, edit, and publish content in the website. It contains features like conversion of plain text to XHTML code, tag-based template system, built-in site statistics, and separation of content from presentation. This tutorial covers the installation procedure of Textpattern CMS 4.7.3 on CentOS 7.5. The requirements for Textpattern CMS: Apache, MariaDB, PHP, and its modules. First, I'm going to check my CentOS version. My CentOS version is 7.5. Now I am moving into installation procedure. For that, first I'm going to create a database for Textpattern CMS using MySQL command. Now I am going to create a database. Now I am going to create a user. Now I am going to grant privileges for database and database user. Now I am going to flush privileges. Once the database is created, we are going to download the Textpattern CMS using wget command. Once the download is completed, extract the download package using unzip command. Once the extraction is completed, move the Textpattern CMS to Apache root directory. Now set the ownership and file execution permission for Textpattern CMS. Now configure the virtual host for accessing the Textpattern CMS. Now save and quit. Once all the step is completed, restart the Apache service. Now switch to your browser and enter your domain name. Enter your domain name. Now select your language. First, enter your database credential. Now click Next. A configuration file is promoted to the user to enter into the text patterns directory. Open the terminal. Enter into the path. Now create a config.php file here. Now copy the content and paste here. Now save and quit. After completing this step, restart the Apache service. Now switch to your browser after adding the configuration file and click I did it. Now enter your full name for admin credential. After creating the admin credentials, now click Next. Now log in into the Textpattern CMS. Enter your admin credentials for login. This is the Textpattern CMS dashboard. This is the method how to install Textpattern CMS 4.7.3 on CentOS 7.5. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to Linux Help channel. For more details, visit www.linuxhelp.com. For more queries, mail to support@linuxhelp.com.